Hello friends, so in this video we will learn about the operator and expressions. So what is the operator and expressions? So operator is a symbol that perform operation on value like this way: double quad, single quad, plus, minus is called the operators. And expression, what is the expression? So expression is the combination of values. It means whatever you will write the code, okay, that code I think you can tell as a expression. So let's see what actually expression on operator does. So now I'm just here, let me just put in this one. So this is my notepad. So what I will do here first, so I will just convert this into the HTML page first, okay, and now I will open this into the notepad, edit with notepad, and I will do one thing here. I will open this into the Chrome browser, this one, right? So now I will just first of all convert this into the JavaScript. So script, and commenting this above sessions. Okay, so now when we refresh this one, we don't have anything, right? So now let's see what is the difference between the expressions and operators. So now let's say what is the use of double equal and and triple equal. So double equal, let's say I have one value, let my variable is equal to 1, right? This is in the form of integer, okay. And now what if I will check, this is the value, okay. Now if I just check like this way, my variable is equal to, okay, in single quotation, I will check. So what exactly answer will print? Okay, this is in the form of integer and this is in the form of a string. So it will not check the data type, it will just check the both the values are matching or not. So this will return the true value, okay, you can see. But if I use triple equal sign like this way, then this will return false. Why? Because this is checking the value, okay, which is matching, but the data type is not matching, that's why it is returning the false. Okay, that is the difference between the double equal sign and triple equal sign. Okay, same way you can just check this this one, this code is not equal to, okay. So if you put here this one is not equal to this one, so this will return the false. Why? Because it's just matching the values, okay. But if you add the this double equal exclamatory signs plus double equal signs, so this will return the true, because this is not equal to this one, because it is checking the value which is matching, but the data type is not matching, that's why it is returning the false, sorry, true. You can say true, because I think because both the variable is not matching, that's why, okay. So once you practice, you will get all the entire idea of this. So let's disable this thing. Now let's say I am just opening, this is the variable value, okay. Now let's see, if I do like this way, my variable plus sign, right? So when you apply the double plus or double minus or whatever operator after the variable, this will not increment when you print, it will increment after you declare it or after you apply this plus sign. So let's say so I am just again typing my variable, Okay, you can see it's showing 1 here, but after its print, after you will get the 2. So first time it will not show you the incremented value. After you print, after that this will show you the incremented value. Okay, like this way. So whenever you just print the data and you want to show the incremented value, make sure that you should apply this plus plus sign before the print. Okay, so now if I put here, now this will show you too. Now what if you want to show the incremented value before print? So what you will have to do, you will have to just simply here apply the plus plus sign uh, before the variables, or at the beginning of the variables. You can see 2 is showing, right? 2 is showing, right? So that's all for this video. So we learned what is the use of double equal sign and triple equal sign, what is the operator and expressions, and what is the use of a double plus sign. If you apply the operator before variable, what will happen, and after apply the operator after the variable, and what will happen if you apply the operator after the variables. Okay, thanks for watching.